model. This car before original 2013 model. Now you see modification 2025. 25, you see. Now fixing fully.
Fender, bonnet, fender, headlight. As you can see, the front bumper complete and the grill same like original LC300. Range Rover 2025. As you can see, the pole, the paint, everything same like original. Even the light.
Side one also.
Even the door handle. As you can see, the door handle now automatic electric. You know, when you push button, they can go inside. When you push button, they come out. As you can see, the air lever same like original, and the fender, everything. The interior still not start. Inshallah, in the next video, then I show you interior.
Light.
As you can see, the light.
Yes.
When you
light
push button,
inside.
there is inside LED, everything. Let me show you back side. This is the back side. The tank need to cut, then you can use it. Same like original as original Range Rover 2024. As you can see, the rear door fully, and as you can see, the rear door. But I can leave it, no problem. Still not finished. Inshallah, in the next video, I'll show you fully complete interior and exterior.
Hello.
You on the light, please. This is the light, same like original. Okay. What you think about our work, Abdullah, Mr. Abdullah?
Yes, this good work.
Fantastic, yeah?
Yes, fantastic. Very, very.
Thank
Number
you.
one on
Thank you.
This number one.
Follow our channel and subscribe our channel.
Yes.